Welcome to the world. Elastos.
Holes in your cheese?
That's okay.
Holes in your nose?
All the way.
Holes in your universe?
A-okay.
Holes in your internet?
No way.
The internet as we know it is flawed, prone to malware, cyber attack, and digital gremlins. A new kind of internet is here,
Welcome, Elastos.
powered by blockchain technology. Elastos is a decentralized smart web that allows users to access digital assets directly without going through a media player or any intermediary. This closed platform prevents apps from directly accessing the internet, creating a special economic zone where users can feel secure while trading digital goods, generating wealth for both creators and consumers. Whether from a mobile device or personal computer, Elastos provides the infrastructure for the authentication, trading, and circulation of digital assets, helping to create a new World Wide Web that is safer
And smarter.
Elastos,
A new kind of internet.
powered by blockchain.
Let's say you bought a digital book or movie. How would you know if you really own it? Could you sell it to a friend or perhaps a neighbor like you would with a DVD or a hardcover book? Well, Elastos has the answer to that. Elastos aims to create a new kind of internet, powered by blockchain technology. Here, you can properly own digital assets like games, books, and music, and be able to generate wealth from them. Elastos wants to make digital commodities not only limited, but also distinguished and able to be traded. Elastos intends to build an internet where digital content creators can have the security of knowing that their copyrighted materials are protected. Users will be able to access content directly without going through a third-party intermediary. Through the Elastos web, digital IDs will be issued to these assets so that the owner will know who owns what. Writers and filmmakers will be able to see how many times their content has been accessed. Elastos will also be utilized as a new type of internet to access dApps, otherwise known as decentralized applications. They'll also be able to use the Elastos token as a legal tender in this new space. And by bringing Elastos and blockchain technology together, we can have a safer and better internet for wealth creation.
To understand Elastos, you first need to understand the internet. The internet is made up of billions of device nodes that connect to central servers. Due to their centralized position, the companies behind these servers can collect and sell our personal data, censor and control what we see, and even shut us down. Even if a server has good intentions, they can be shut down through DDoS attacks or lose everyone's private data all at once to hackers. Elastos was made to solve these problems and more by building a whole new internet, the SmartWeb. Instead of using internet addresses, the SmartWeb will use blockchain-powered decentralized IDs. The Elastos flexible blockchain provides a completely secure and trusted zone for these DIDs. The blockchain services themselves are infinitely scalable, as other blockchains will be able to connect to and join the Elastos SmartWeb. The SmartWeb uses the already established internet infrastructure for peer-to-peer encrypted communication between nodes. It can do this without using any central servers or even the internet itself. Just about any device can become a node within the SmartWeb. Phones, desktop computers, and any smart devices can install the Elastos browser app and gain access to the Elastos ecosystem. Once installed, the browser will act as its own isolated operating system inside your device. It gains full access to the device's hardware, allowing for a completely secure environment to run powerful dApps, maintain property rights to digital assets, and connect safely to other nodes in the network. In the smart web of the future, devices will be able to safely communicate with one another, exchange in digital commerce, run powerful dApps on any device, and do it all within a completely secure environment. The future is now.
So, what is Elastos? We, the Elastos Foundation, are trying to connect digital content, applications, and users all together. Having ownership of your videos, data, images, and music. The current internet doesn't do a good job of this, but we want to change this and make a safer and smarter and decentralized web. The vision is to become the technology that powers the smart economy. So what does that actually mean? We can explore the technology by piecing together what Elastos is made up of, and that's 4 main technologies. The first piece of the puzzle is to use a blockchain to create a trust zone. Elastos has its own blockchain. The second piece of the puzzle is to create an environment to be safe in, an operating system. An OS is a system software that manages hardware and software and provides services and tasks and can run applications for the user. Elastos OS can run on a device by virtual machine or directly. So we got the blockchain, we have the operating system, we need to slot in 2 more pieces of the puzzle. The next piece is peer-to-peer networking. The traditional internet works by direct connections using IP addresses and normally central servers. The peer-to-peer network runs decentralized. The 4th piece of the puzzle is giving developers an SDK full with tools to work with. Developers can plug these tools into their applications so they can be a part of the new generation of internet. With these pieces working together, we gain access to the power of the smart economy, a safer and smarter kind of internet with wealth and ownership of digital assets, all in a safer environment.